Hello, this is Cecilia from Scrapbooking Cecilia. Welcome to this video. I want to show you what I use to store my elements in my room because I don't have a craft room. I made this vintage mailbox to storage my inks and a lot of things as waxes, anything that I can keep there inside. It's perfect for me because I have really a quite small space. So this is one of my storage solutions, as this tower in the left side of the screen. Here I have some drawers inside the tower to store my purse and little fancy embellishments. These drawers is also something handmade, but a friend of mine sent it to me from Switzerland, and I keep there my brads and small little things. And this chest with drawers, you already have the tutorial in Graphic 45 channel. I store there all my metal embellishments, as my flowers as well, and my washi tapes. It's really a huge capacity of these drawers. And this piece, I made it, also you have the tutorial to store everything that I am using in the actual project. So it's really handy. It works perfect for me. I can keep everything close, my magnets, my rulers, everything. And this is my table where basically I create everything that I can share with you. I keep all my papers in bags. I separate on one bag all the bundle, or if I don't have the bundle, I keep all the collection pieces in one bag. It works perfect for me. You are watching here the stunning Christmas paper collection of this year, Merry and Bright. Another solution for a small space, I have two racks where I keep all my Graphic 45 papers, as I told you, in plastic bags, and my punches, silicone molds, heat gun, and a lot of things, my fabric for covers, and I think it works perfect for me. And I'll show you some of my projects that I've been making in this lovely space. Thank you so much for joining me.